This new heat pump is the perfect choice for organisations looking to meet their carbon reduction plan. It's a low carbon solution that uses CO2, a natural and stable refrigerant. The QAHV is a sustainable solution that helps to meet the requirements of the building regulations and helps to boost BREEAM points. We know that commercial heat pumps are incredibly efficient for low temperature heating, but they have struggled to show the same levels of carbon savings when producing sanitary hot water. The EcoDan QAHV has been designed specifically to address this, and with the use of CO2, it also helps future-proof businesses in line with the next phases of the F-gas regulations. In 2019, the government set into law that by the year 2050, we would have a net zero carbon emission base. And so what that's meant is that since 2012, the grid has been decarbonising at a very rapid rate. Now, as the grid continues to decarbonise towards 2050, those savings are only going to get greater. And so we expect that technology such as QAHV will continue to aid that decarbonisation. The QAHV uses a patented twisted and spiral gas cooler to enhance energy efficiency while delivering high temperature hot water. 3 connected refrigerant pipes are wound around a twisted water pipe which maximises heat transfer. The continuous spiral grooves accelerate the turbulent effect of water and reduce pressure loss within the heat exchanger, making it more efficient. The QAHV itself is hermetically sealed. So the unit is delivered to site with no need to touch any of the refrigerant system. So there's a flow and return from the unit, so we supply low temperature cold water, mains cold water in some respects, directly into the QAHV, and then we supply hot water directly from that to either a buffer, depending on the hydraulic arrangement. It could be a buffer with an instantaneous plate, or it could be a store of potable hot water, which is traditionally what you would see in likes of a student accommodation, a hotel, or a leisure facility. The EcoDan QAHV is ideal for commercial sanitary hot water in a range of environments such as hotels, leisure facilities, student accommodation and hospitals. It's a great choice for organisations looking to reduce their carbon footprints and to decarbonise their hot water production. There's been a misconception for quite a while that if you put heat pump technology into a building, then you've got to have a backup. But you know, gas boilers don't have gas boiler backups. It's just a gas boiler that provides hot water to whatever the need of that building. And so with QAHV, we're replacing that technology. We're displacing the gas boiler technology and other gas-driven technologies. And so you know, the reliability of that technology is such that there's no need for a gas boiler backup. There is sometimes a requirement by the user to have potentially 2 separate systems for the ease of shutting one system down to maintain the other. But there's no need to have a direct backup on that particular system from gas now. We're launching the QAHV at a time when interest in high temperature heat pumps is growing due to the decarbonisation of the grid, and we continue to provide technologies to help our journey towards a net zero carbon emission future.